Hello students, today we are going to start grammar lesson number 4 standard 2nd and name of the lesson is singular and plural. Before starting this lesson, we will revise our last lesson. What was last lesson? Noun. What is noun? Name of anything is noun or any naming word is called noun. A noun, it may be singular, it may be plural. Now we will see what is singular, what is plural. What is singular? Singular means only one. See the slide, pictures are there. A bird, a tree, a book, a girl, whatever single, it is singular. Now we will see what is plural. What is plural? Yes, plural means many, more than one. It may be any, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10,000, any number it may be. See the examples. Books are given, trees are there, birds are there, girls are there. Here quantity is more. Single picture is not there. Quantity is more. That's why it is plural. In our day-to-day life, we use both singular and plural. How to turn a singular noun in plural? There are certain rules. We will go through all the rules one by one. Now, rule number 1. Singular noun plus yes. Here, we are going to just add s to the singular noun to make it plural. We will go through the examples. See the examples. BOOK, book. Book is a singular noun. Here just s is added to the singular noun to make it plural. And BOOKS, books is a plural noun. HAND, hand. HANDS, hands. PEN, pen. PENS, pens. TABLE, table. TABLES, tables. WALL, wall. WALLS, walls. Just s is added to the singular noun to make a plural noun. Many more examples are there in your textbook. Go through all the examples. Now, rule number 2. Singular noun plus es. When to add this es? Whenever the word is ending with letter s, x, double s, sh, ch, at that time singular noun carries es to make a plural noun. We will see the examples. BENCH. Here the noun is ending with letters ch and that's why es is added to make it plural. BENCHES, benches. BOX, box. Here noun is ending with letter s and es is added to make plural. BOXES, boxes. BRANCH, branch. BRANCHES, branches. BRUSH, brush. BRUSHES, brushes. WATCH, watch. WATCHES, watches. Many more examples are there. Go through all the examples. Now rule number 3. Singular noun plus IES to add to make plural noun. When to add this IES? Whenever the word is ending with letter Y. Not only last letter is Y, but also last but one letter also a consonant sound. At that time, we should add IES to make a plural noun. See the example, BABY, baby. Here last letter is Y. The word is ending with letter Y and last but one letter is B. And that Y will not be more into the plural form. What is plural form of baby? BABIES, babies. Y will not be more into the plural form. CITYCT. Here also the letter Y is last letter and last but one letter is T. And IES is added in the noun to make it plural. And that Y is not more into the word. And what is plural form? CITIES, cities. FLY, fly. FLIES, flies. LADY lady, LADIES ladies. STORY story, STORIES stories. More examples are there. Go through all the examples. Singular noun plus yes. When this S is added, this is another rule to add S. We will see the examples. Whenever the word is ending with letter Y, but here last but one letter is a vowel sound. That's why only S is added. Don't get confused in adding S and IES. Whenever the word is ending with Y and last but one letter is consonant sound, at that time IES is added. And whenever the word is ending with letter Y and last but one letter is a vowel sound, at that time only S is added to the noun to make it plural. Understood? Now, DAY day, DAYS days, KEY key, KEYS keys, MONKEY monkey, MONKEYS monkeys, TOY toy, TOYS toys. This topic is very confusing. That's why work hard on this topic. Practice more. Now rule number 4. Rule number 5. Rule number 5. Singular noun plus ES. When to add this ES? Whenever the word is ending with letter O. At that time we should add ES to make it plural. As examples are given, BUFFALO, buffalo. The word is ending with letter O. And what is plural form? BUFFALOES, buffaloes. MANGO, mango. MANGOES, mangoes. POTATO, potato. POTATOES, potatoes. Now rule number 6. Singular noun plus VES. When to add this VES? Whenever the word is ending with letter F. At that time that F will not be more into the plural form. It is replaced with letters VES. CALF, calf. Here the noun is ending with letter F. And what is plural form? CALVES. That F is not any more into the word, into the plural form. And what is our plural form? CALVES, calves. KNIFE, knife. KNIVES, knives. Now if you will observe this word, as I told you, whenever the word is ending with letter F, but here the word is ending with letter E, not with F. Last but one letter is F. But what is sound? Think over sound also. What is sound? What is last sound? F itself. Knife. It is not knife. It is knife. That's why knives. KNIVES, knives. THIEF, thief. THIEVES, thieves. WOLF, wolf. WOLVES, wolves. You have another word, that is wife. Wife also ending with E, but plural form of wife is wives. Go through the words. Now rule number 7. Some nouns are irregular nouns. What are these irregular nouns? These nouns do not have any S, ES, IES in plural form. The spelling itself has changed. Child. CHILDREN, children. FOOT, foot. FEET, feet. MAN, man. MEN, men. MOUSE, mouse. MICE, mice. OX, ox. OXEN, oxen. TOOTH, tooth. TEETH, teeth. WOMN, woman. WOMEN, woman. Here any ES, yes, IES is not added. Spelling itself is changed. Some more plural forms. you have exercise in your textbook. To solve those exercises, you need these words also. That's why I gave this list. Is, am will change in are in plural form. What is plural form of was? Where. Plural form of this is these. Plural form of that is those. Now we'll see the exercise. Exercise number 1. This is a mango. Here we are going to change this sentence in plural form. Here single word is not there. We are going to turn whole sentence in plural form. So we have to think about all the words in the sentence. Now, what is sentence? This is a mango. Just we have gone through the list. So all of us know the plural forms. Now, this plural form is these. Is plural form is are. A is used for singular form. That's why in plural form A will not be more into the sentence, and plural form of mango is mangoes. So what is our plural sentence? These are mangoes. Second sentence, this is a woman. Plural form of this is these. Plural form of is are. A will not be more into the sentence, and plural form of woman is women. And sentence is these are women. Now, third number. That was a brush. And what is plural form of that? Those. Plural form of was is where. A will not be more into the sentence. So, plural form of brush is brushes. What is our plural sentence? Those were brushes. Fourth sentence. That was a mouse. That's plural form is those. Was plural form is where. A will not be more into the sentence. As you know, it is used in singular form. It is used for singular form only. That's why in plural form it will not be there. So, plural form of mouse is mice. Those were mice. Now, exercise number 2. These are eggs. Here exact opposite sentences are given. Plural sentences are given. We are going to turn them into singular form. These are eggs. These singular form is this. Our singular form is, and an is used. Why an is used? Here the word eggs is starting with vowel sound. That's why an is used. And what is our singular sentence? This is an egg. These are bananas. Second sentence is these are bananas. Singular form of these is this. Our singular form is. As banana is starting with letter B. That's why A is used. And banana singular form is banana. That's why our singular sentence is this is a banana. Now, those were knives. What is singular form of those? That. Where singular form is was. Knives singular form is knife. And A is used. Why? Because it is singular sentence. What is our singular sentence? That was a knife. Those were boxes. Sentence number 4 is those were boxes. Singular form of those is that. Singular form of where is was. A is used because singular sentence is there, and singular form of boxes is box. So that was a box. Our singular sentence is that was a box. Understood? More examples are there in your textbook. Go through all the examples. You will get all the notes. Work hard. Thank you.